Welcome to our comprehensive guide on employee relations. In the world of human resources, managing the dynamic between employees and the organization is critical for long-term success. Today, we will explore what employee relations actually means, why it is so important, and how you can build a thriving workplace culture. So, what exactly is employee relations? Simply put, it refers to the efforts an organization makes to maintain and manage relationships with its workforce. It is not just about hiring people, it is about keeping the balance. The goal is to prevent and resolve problems while building a foundation of mutual respect and trust between the employer and the employee. You might wonder why companies invest so much in this area. First, productivity. Happy and engaged employees work more efficiently. Second, retention. People stay where they feel respected. And third, risk reduction. Proper management helps avoid legal disputes and toxic workplace behaviors that can cost a company its reputation and money. There are 3 building blocks to a healthy workplace. Number 1 is communication. You need open channels for feedback. Number 2 is conflict management, having processes to resolve disputes fairly. And number 3 is policy compliance, ensuring everyone knows the rules and follows them consistently. Human resources plays a central role here. HR professionals act as mediators in disputes, ensuring neutrality. They are advocates for fair treatment. They are also policymakers, creating clear handbooks, and investigators who must handle complaints objectively to find the truth. When conflict arises, which it inevitably will, follow this 3-step process. First, listen. Allow all parties to share their side without interruption. Second, investigate. Gather the facts and check company policies. Finally, act. Implement a fair solution, whether that is mediation or disciplinary action. It is important to distinguish between employee relations and employee engagement. Relations is often reactive, focusing on contracts, legal compliance, and solving disputes to ensure stability. Engagement, on the other hand, is proactive. It focuses on the emotional connection, boosting morale, and driving passion. There is also a legal side to consider. You must manage employment contracts clearly. You must adhere to anti-discrimination laws like those from the EEOC. You need to follow wage and hour laws regarding overtime and pay. And you must ensure workplace safety to comply with regulations like OSHA. Ultimately, the goal is a positive culture. This requires transparency, share goals, and do not keep secrets. It requires recognition, acknowledge hard work regularly, and above all, it requires fairness. Apply policies consistently to everyone, from the newest intern to the top executive. To wrap up, remember that employee relations is built on trust and fairness. Communication is your best tool for preventing issues. HR serves as the bridge between staff and management. And finally, investing in a positive culture will significantly reduce your legal risks and employee turnover.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.